And she looked up there, peeked up there, but she didn't know what that tail is. But she know that there was zombies in their trees.
Zombies? Wow.
Look, she's trying to climb up there.
Yeah, she's trying to get the chestnuts, look.
And they even want to climb up there. But she even wanted to step on that mouse. She even wanted to grab that. Grab it. Ask first. And she was trying to reach it. But she didn't try to reach it. But her grandma was trying to look what she did. But grandma wanted to help her. And her grandma pulled her shoulders. She even wanted to grab her face.
Well, as I predicted, things are taking a bit